Move on and shift our focus to other big story of the day. Viewers, Uttar Pradesh's well-known encounter specialist Ajay Pal Sharma has been deployed as a poll observer in West Bengal's South 24 Parganas to ensure law and order is maintained during the elections. Ahead of phase 2 polling, Sharma was seen issuing a stern warning to TMC leader Jahangir Khan against any attempt to threaten the voters. Listen in.
तो फिर उसकी खबर फिर अच्छे से लेंगे हम। ये जहांगीर के घर वाले भी खड़े हैं, उसको बता देना कायदे से। ये बार बार जो खबरें आ रही हैं कि उसके लोग धमका रहे हैं, तो फिर अच्छे से खबर लेंगे, फिर बाद में रोना पछताना मत।
And we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. A political storm, viewers, has erupted over a controversial video linked to a Singham cop in poll-bound Bengal. TMC leader Mahua Moitra has made some sensational allegations. In fact, she has posted a video and she is claiming that the encounter specialist officer was in a dancing clip, according to the video that she has put out. Now, via this, questions are being raised over his conduct and suitability for election duty. So the video that she has put out, you can see on your screens right now. Clearly, now what we are witnessing is a sensational charge coming in from TMC leader Mahua Moitra. Let's go across to my colleague Ridhita, joining us live right now for more on this. Ridhita, this is sensational. This dancing video that has been put out by Mahua Moitra. Give us more details, and have we heard anything from the cop in question here?
Well, absolutely. We see that since yesterday, Trinamool Congress have been launching a stern action on this officer, the special observer officer, who is also known as the encounter specialist. So he has been a stern action has been launched upon by the Trinamool Congress. He is completely targeted, as we get to understand. And today morning as well, Mahua Moitra, the member of Parliament of the Trinamool Congress, have posted a post over her Twitter handle stating that fair and lovely Babua. Ajay, then he has tagged the person saying that good to see you enjoying yourself in a Fanta cop style. Stay thanda thanda cool cool. Bengal is always Trinamool. So you get to see that it is the member of Parliament Mahua Moitra now attacking the cop and stating about this sensational video. They have stalked the officer and brought out this video, and this video is not only over X media handle but also over WhatsApp. The Trinamool Congress is now providing, where you can see they are attacking the special observer who has been brought to observe the home turf of Abhishek Banerjee. It has been very important turf all through 2021, 2019 and 2024 elections. Also, we get to understand that Jahangir, who is a TMC person, in the video we have heard the cop instilling a stern warning towards Jahangir's family, because he has been the person to provocate, has been alleged to provocate a lot of violence in that very area. And after this only, we see Trinamool Congress now attacking on him and stating that this is not as per the High Court rules, that any officer or a special observer can speak on this language or create a fear psychosis among the people about anything else. And after that, only such social media targets of the Trinamool Congress have begun against the a special observer.
Right.
But as of now, we have not heard anything from him. There has been no word from the observer as we have heard. So,
right. Shrita, request you to please stay on with us. Let me go across to my colleague Amita as well, joining us live right now for more on this. Amita, take us through the post that has been put out by Mahua Moitra of the Trinamool Congress.
Yes, Hina, the post there and the purported videos there, some just have enlarged it, but where she goes on to tag as far as the encounter cop is concerned, and say that good to see you enjoying yourself, Fanta cop style, say thanda thanda cool cool in Bengal is always Trinamool. And to this reaction that has also come in from Akhilesh Yadav, who seems to be talking about saying that the image of UP government's governance and administration has been severely tarnished by the widely circulating indecent video of the senior police officer from UP who served as an observer during Bengal elections. At the same time, the BJP's so-called claims on women's honor and Nari Vandana have been completely exposed in front of women, and such individuals and officers are not exceptions in BJP governance and administration. Women feel those holding the reins of women's safety like this, then how will our safety be ensured? And today, every woman associated with BJP is ashamed because sisters and daughters are also in their homes. And however, this seems to be the kind of action that he now seems to be seeking from the Chief Minister, saying that there should be zero tolerance, not just against criminals, but also against such officers. So this is the build-up, Hina, that what we are looking at from the post that Mahua Moitra has been putting out on social media, and reactions that have now been coming in from the allies like the Samajwadi Party.
Right. Stay on with us, Amita. Let me go across to my colleague Ridhita as well, who continues to be live with us for more on this. Ridhita, now this clearly has become a big political issue. We already had seen, this issue escalating after, Ajay Pal Sharma, the police observer of South 24 Parganas, the way he issued a stern warning, especially to TMC candidate Jahangir Khan. But now you've got leaders from other political parties also reacting to what Mahua Moitra has posted.
Absolutely. You see now the ally yesterday also we have seen in Chief Minister's rally how the ally has been supporting Mamata Banerjee totally in the process of election of the 2026 assembly elections. In Bengal yesterday, Tejasvi Yadav had joined the rally. Then Akhilesh had been giving his support towards Mamata Banerjee. We have also seen Arvind Kejriwal speaking to Mamata Banerjee and coming as a star candidate for campaigns here. Now in the rally, we see after a stern target order warning has been issued by the Trinamool Congress, we see that allies are now supporting and joining hands with the Trinamool Congress and singing the same song of support against the special observer who has been appointed in the home turf of Abhishek Banerjee in the Diamond Harbour district. We also see when an attack, warning by the COP was issued on Jahangir Khan, the Trinamool Congress candidate from that very area. The support that the entire belt has been giving him and going against the COP is something very serious. A new tweet has been again posted by Mahua Moitra where she says, oh, and by the way, tagging the COP, hopes your policing skills are better than your dancing skills. And just saying, and then she gives a smiley emoji. So we get to understand the kind of support belt towards Jahangir Khan, who has been an target or who has been behind a lot of prerogative violence in the very area. The support belt that has led towards him after the special observer COP has instilled a stern warning on Jahangir Khan and said and asked for a special surveillance on that very person so that the phase 2 of polling remains a free and fair one in the very area of Diamond Harbour.
Right. Ridhita, I request you to please stay on with us. Let's now tell our viewers a little bit about Ajay Pal Sharma's encounter sheet. Okay, before we get you that, we have in fact Jagannath Sarkar of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the broadcast as well. Good morning. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what Mahua Moitra of the TMC has put out?
देखिए, ये जो टीएमसी पार्टी गुंडागर्दी का पार्टी है वो सच्चाई वोटिंग हो ऐसा नहीं मांगते। वो गुंडागर्दी करके जीतने के लिए हमेशा प्रयासी है। जितने गुंडागर्दी है वो उतार दिया मैदान में, चमका के धमका के कोई कहाँ वोटिंग ना करे, जो करे तो टीएमसी के पक्ष में करे, ऐसा माहौल बनाया। इसलिए अजय पाल जी जो आया है उनके डर से घबरा गया, इसलिए उनका यहाँ से कोई ड्यूटी ना करे, इसलिए खिलाफ माहौल बनाने के लिए मोहा मुझको ट्वीट कर रहा है। तो इससे पूरा जानकारी हो गया जनता को, ये टीएमसी डर गया अजय पाल से कि वो वोटिंग गुंडागर्दी के करते, इसलिए नहीं हो पाएंगे वो रहे, तो इसलिए माहौल बनाने के लिए कर रहा है, वो भगाने के लिए कर रहा है।
All right, so you're saying this kind of a reaction is the result of fear within the TMC. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So you heard what the BJP has to say on the post that has been put out by Mahua Moitra of the Trinamool Congress. And let's now take a look at Ajay Pal Sharma's encounter sheet. Now, this is as per reports what we have learnt. Career encounters 500, number of accused killed 15 via the encounters, and also the encounter strike rate has been 136 in last 22 months. Is this the reason why there is a sense of fear within the TMC as being claimed by the BJP? Of course, that is an argument that has been made. We have a reaction now coming in from Samajwadi Party as well. Listen in.
पश्चिम बंगाल के चुनाव में सेंट्रल फोर्सेस और जो भाजपा शासित राज्यों से गए हुई फोर्सेस हैं, जो ऑब्जर्वर्स हैं, वो यूपी के उस मॉडल को अपनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिसमें लोकतंत्र में मतदाता को वोट कास्ट न करने दिया जाए। लेकिन भाजपा के ये अधिकारी जो भाजपा एजेंट के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं, वो ये समझ लें कि आने वाला समय इनका यकीनन बेहद बुरा होगा। जिस तरह से ये मतदाता को डरा धमका रहे हैं, वो मतदाता इनको कहीं का नहीं छोड़ेगा। ममता दीदी बंगाल जीत रही हैं।